Do you miss the beach or summer and want to bring a little bit of it to your house? Today I'm going to show you how to make a crab magnet based off of instructions from the Davis County Public Library that can do just that. And a crab magnet can be a great gift or decoration to bring a little bit of summer or the beach to you or loved ones. You're going to need one large seashell, 2 red pipe cleaners, some red paint, a set of googly eyes, a small piece of cardboard, glue or hot glue, a small magnet, a paintbrush, a pen or pencil for tracing, and some scissors. And you can get these supplies from Walmart, Joann Fabric and Crafts, or Hobby Lobby. And now I will show you how to make the crab magnet. You're going to take your seashell, your paintbrush, and your paint. And you're going to take some paint and put it onto your seashell. That's a little too much paint. And you're going to paint your seashell red. And you should set your seashell over to the side to dry. And once it's dry, it should look something like this. And for purposes of time, I've already made one, so that way I can show you how to make the rest of the crab magnet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your red pipe cleaners, and you're going to take one and cut it into 8 equal lengths. Now you may have to use your second one like I do, but that should be just fine. And next you're going to take your other red pipe cleaner and you're going to fold it in half and you're going to cut it. And you're going to take those halves and you're going to make some claws. But if you want it to be smaller, if you want smaller claws, all you have to do is just take one of the halves in half and cut it again. And then what you do is take your half and you make some claws. And your claws should look something like this once you're done. What you're going to do before you glue on your legs and your claws, you're going to take your seashell and put it on the cardboard and you're going to trace it. And then you're going to take your traced out seashell and you're going to cut it. And you should probably use scissors that are good for cutting cardboard with. Once you have that done, you should have your painted seashell, your cardboard seashell shape, your 8 legs, and your 2 claws. What you're going to do is you're going to turn your seashell over and you're going to glue your legs onto the sides of the seashell. And you should have 4 legs on each side. So your crab should look something like this once you have glued those legs on. And then you're going to take your claws and you're going to glue them onto the front of the shell. Now when you're doing this, you should probably have something to hold down the glue so that way your crab does not fall apart like mine. And it would be a good idea to have a wipe or a napkin nearby because this can be very messy. And once you have glued everything on, it should look something like this. And now what you're going to do is you are going to take your cardboard from earlier and you are going to glue that onto the back. And this should help keep your legs in place in case they aren't dry. And it should look something like this. A lot of glue. And now you're going to flip your crab over and you are going to take your googly eyes and you're going to glue them onto the front. And it should look like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip it back over and you're going to take your small magnet and you're going to apply some glue to it and make sure you're gluing the side that is the part that needs to be glued and not the actual magnet itself. And you're going to glue that onto the back of the cardboard. And so the back should look like this and the front should look like this. and which of course you don't have to have the magnet on there, and you can use your crab for, you can decorate it for seasons, holidays, personalization. You could do a top hat on it, or maybe a monocle, or maybe even a beanie, or a Santa hat for Christmas, a witch's hat for Halloween, or maybe you could put some like leaves or flowers in its hands and its claws, and just have it all decorated for any type of occasion. And as you can see, a crab magnet is a useful decoration that can be used in many ways, and it can be a great gift for someone, or just a great decoration for if you want to bring a little bit of the beach or summer into your house.